Hi friends, today I have written something really nice for you. I start and end each day with gratitude. To be grateful is to be in the heart, to feel the universal love, tenderness, and acceptance for everything as one. It is an energy, a vibration that we need to maintain daily and pay the most attention to. We carry it within us and emit it, thus attracting similar energy to ourselves. As a result of directing your attention to gratitude, the universe returns to you with all the good multiplied. When you slowly wake up in the morning, you can already be thankful for how well you slept. When you think and talk like that, after 2 days it already works and become real. All that matters is that you practice it daily, and it works just right for everyone. It is best to use your routine after morning meditation, whether it is already real or you would like to see it become so. Thank the following. Thank you, universe, or thank you, your name. How beautiful, the interesting, relaxed, happy, and successful day you experienced today. How great you did it. All the tests that kindly inspired you. How everyone accompanied you with a smile, helped you to easily finish what you started. Next, imagine in your mind, you can do it also with your eyes closed, and think of how you feel about how great and proud you are that you always succeed for the first time. Thank your inner guidance for guiding you on the easiest way for you. Talk about how much you love today, what good things you experienced, how beautiful it is your life to love living, and looking forward to it again every day. Be like an actor practicing your role to become confident in your transformation. The more time you take for yourself every day and focus it on what means the most to you, the most good thing you will receive. This also applies to evening practice. Surely more good has already happened to you that day because you created your wonderful day in the morning, so you have many more reasons to be grateful, and so reawaken only your best memories of today or from the past days. It is important that your good thoughts evoke pleasant feelings, peace, love, and happiness in you. From our experience, I can say that it pays to be grateful daily and permanently. It is true that a lot of energy needs to be invested in yourself and in the world, but the result is always more than excellent. Eating light fresh fruits and vegetables, drink plenty of natural water from a spring, exercising daily, and practicing any meditation you enjoy contributes many times to your happy being. Together we create the world. So be a bright part of the whole. Live as you know it is only the right for you. Use your willpower for the desired changes. Thank you, dear friend, for taking the time to listen and read the kind words I address to you. With love, Damien from Dit is My Love. Oh, and also I kindly ask you to share and subscribe to our channel Dit is My Love. See you next time. Bye bye.